The American Wire Gage AWG system has been established to provide a uniform scale for identifying different wire diameters. This scale ranges from its thickest at quad 0 or 4/0 gauge to its thinnest at 40 gauge. However, most automotive wires fall between 4 gauge and 6 gauge for battery cables and 14 gauge to 20 gauge for circuit wiring. The AWG scale is unique in that the smaller the AWG value, the larger the wire diameter. Now we can't have a discussion on wire gauge size without discussing ampacity. Ampacity is the amperage capacity of a wire. In other words, it refers to the maximum amount of electrical current a wire can safely carry without overheating. There are many factors that affect wire ampacity, including wire length, temperature, insulation, and other related factors. Take a look at this wire gauge chart to help you understand the relationship between the gauge value, its equivalent diameter in inches and metric, the ampacity at 10 feet, and the ampacity at 3 feet. Let's take a look at a few examples. A technician is comparing wire diameters. Determine which wire has a larger diameter, a 12 gauge wire or a 20 gauge wire. As mentioned already, the higher the gauge number, the thinner the diameter is of the wire. So without even looking at the chart, I know that 12 is the thicker wire over 20 gauge. The chart tells us that a 12 gauge wire is roughly 2.1 millimeters in diameter, whereas a 20 gauge wire would be around 0.8 millimeters. In question 2, the technician is comparing wire ampacity values. Determine which wire has a smaller ampacity value, a 3-foot 16 gauge wire or a 10-foot 14 gauge wire. Now before we figure this out, a wire with a smaller ampacity value can handle less current before overheating. So it's important to choose the correct wire for electrical safety and efficiency. This is why an example like this is important. For a 3-foot 16 gauge wire, according to the chart, at 3 feet is 20 amps, whereas a 10-foot 14 gauge wire is only 10 amps. So the smaller ampacity value is obviously the 10-foot 14 gauge wire. So even though the 14 gauge wire is thicker and would typically have a higher ampacity than a 16 gauge wire, the 10-foot length introduces enough resistance to reduce its overall ampacity below that of a 3-foot 16 gauge wire. And this goes back to our earlier discussion where there are many factors that affect ampacity, not just the thickness. Let's do one more exercise. A technician is comparing wire ampacity values. Determine which wire has a smaller ampacity value, a 3-foot 10 gauge wire or a 10-foot 14 gauge wire. Let's begin with the 10 gauge 3 feet. The 10 gauge 3 feet has an ampacity of 90 amps, whereas the 14 gauge 10 foot has an ampacity of 10 amps. Therefore, the smaller ampacity is obviously the 10-foot 14 gauge wire. If you have any further questions about this concept, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.